Let's get more on this now with Farah Mourad in Dubai. She's a senior market analyst at IG Group. Hi there, Farah. Now we're looking at a trade deal between the world's largest economy and most populous nation. Why has this sparked such a rally?
Thank you, Taiba, for having me. I mean, the obvious, it was a main pressure point on Indian market. It's now being removed. Definitely, we will see investors being more comfortable coming back in. And if we need to also maybe see this previous behavior of Indian markets, the markets were underinvested. It lagged other emerging markets. Even the currency was under pressure. And once, even if we want to compare it in dollar terms, Indian markets maybe underperformed other emerging markets. So now we have this news at a very interesting time because we're seeing this rebound after last week's sell-off across the global markets. So with this extra positive surprise, we're seeing investors maybe acting fast. Big moves we're seeing in the markets, not only in India, but obviously India is benefiting from it and across different assets, not only the stock market, but the rupee as well. As you said, it's up by 1%, other indices between 3 to 5%. So there's definitely a quick move to benefit from this extra catalyst.
So who's set to benefit the most from this deal?
So if we're talking as countries, obviously India will be benefiting a lot because India is not only a consumer market, it's trying also to be a hub as a global manufacturing hub. Also, we're seeing possible talks when it comes to supply chain between India and the US over minerals. So India has this key role to play, especially in Asia, as the main competitor to China, especially with countries that might have trying to diversify away from China. So it's not only the consumer market, I think it's the manufacturing, the supply chain. I think this, including as well what you guys mentioned earlier between the trade deal between the European Union and India, both are extremely positive boost for the outlook of India for this year, especially if you want to compare it to other countries. I think it might give the biggest boost to India compared to other Asian markets.
Right. Farah Mourad in Dubai, senior market analyst at IG Group. Thank you very much for that analysis.